Apartment South Complex at Casuarina Beach. Drift Apartment South Complex is a building of 44 units, most of which surround the 70-metre lagoon pool. This is one of them. As you can see here, we go across the bridge to the pool area. There's sun lounges underneath big shady umbrellas, a massive barbecue cabana with twin barbecues and also tables, and also sun lounges surrounding the pool. There's the position of Drift Apartment South, Unit 36. It's a penthouse apartment with rooftop deck. Also in the pool area, there's also a spa pool, plunge pool, as well as I said earlier, the 70-metre lagoon pool. As we go up the lift of the complex and we enter into the unit, it's a good sized living area, twin stacker doors. And the living area is overlooked by the kitchen. Kitchen features Caesar stone bench tops, double bowl sink, underbench dishwasher, gas cooktop. And then we go out to the balcony. This is it by dusk and also by day, which is overlooking the pool area as such. And then we go up the set of stairs to the rooftop deck, to a very private rooftop deck, once again by dusk and by day, contrast as well, ocean glimpses as well as surrounding views of the surrounding area and of the pools within the complex itself. Not to mention, right on sunset, it's just spectacular. Going back downstairs, along the hallway, we've got an inbuilt study desk. Main bedroom is in the hallway. It sees a built-in with his and hers shelves and hanging, private balcony, ensuite bathroom with twin sinks. Both the second and third bedrooms both have built-in robes with shelves and hanging. And I just thought I'd take this opportunity to mention there's ducted air conditioning throughout as well. Ceiling fans in all rooms. Main bathroom features a shower over a bath, internal laundry with dryer, lift to all levels, excluding the rooftop deck of course, which is exclusive use for this unit. And here's the view of the car park, showing the twin tandem car parks. And at the rear of the twin car parks, there's a secure lock-up cage for storage. And our last video clip here shows of a drone footage of the Drift Apartment complex there. That's it mid-screen. It's a U-shaped complex. Drift Apartment South is at the top of the screen. Drift Apartment North is the closest to the bottom of the screen. And that's it all, just one straight back from the beach. Should you be interested in viewing this property, then please call Kingscliff Sales and Rentals 0266 745 888. Email them for viewing times at rentals@salesandrentals.com.au or visit our website for more photos and information at salesandrentals.com.au.